is it all?
Your mommy is a swimmer. You gotta like the water, Libby.
Oh. So if it was a boy, what was the name?
Dawson.
What is
Michael.
Dawson?
Yeah.
I like Dawson. That's
I'll
a
have to
good
save it for next time, maybe.
Yeah. I had all girls, and I had the same boy name
Aw.
every pregnancy. I never had that boy. But
How
now
many did you have?
3 girls.
How long did it take you to decide you want to have another one?
You know, when they were about 9 months old.
Are you kidding me?
Mm-mm. Because, and not that I really started then, but
Right.
they were becoming a little person and not the baby anymore, and they were pulling up and they were trying to walk.
Being a little independent.
Yeah, and it was like, oh my gosh, my baby. Well, my kids are 2 years apart, so I like that.
Yeah.
There you go, beautiful. Mm-hmm. Are you liking your bath? Oh, I don't think so. Yeah.
Oh, you're filming it, Jeff.
He's the smart one. He's not talking. Yeah. You want to talk to Dad? You go ahead. There's a terrible face.
You using Johnson & Johnson?
Yeah.
Okay.